Hi, I'm Jim Schuster, certified elder law attorney from Southfield, Michigan. We're here to talk about Michigan Medicaid, and if you need a referral to an attorney to another state, give me a call. We'll take care of you. Today's topic, the Medicaid application. After all, here I have one in my hand. It's only about 4 pages long. How hard can it be? Do I really need anybody to help me out? Well, the answer might be no, you don't, but you do have to be very careful. Let me just give you some tips. Now, first of all, let me suggest that even if the applicant has less than $2,000, that means the applicant is financially eligible. If you're a son or daughter, maybe brother or sister are helping out, you might just want to hire an attorney to help you out. Why? Well, it could clearly save you time. It might save you some money, once again, just in case you find some assets that you didn't know the applicant had, and now you got to spend them and what to do with them. And then finally, it gives you the peace of mind knowing that the application will be completed out properly. But let's just say those are not the issues. You have all the time you need. Maybe you're retired and this is something you want to take care of. 2, there simply is no money. What should you look out for? Well, first of all, you have to understand that the Medicaid workers are on very tight time limits, and it's very easy for them to say, you don't give us the paper we need within 10 days, we're going to close the file and you can just go reapply. Well, what's the problem with that? Well, simple. They don't talk to you the day you take it in. The file is dropped off. The case will be opened months later, perhaps, when the worker finally gets around to it off the big stack that she's working on. And then she starts asking for proof, documentation, proof of what you wrote down in the application. And that's, let's just say, another big point. Remember, they don't take your word for anything. You have to prove everything you write down with a piece of paper. Date of birth? Show a birth certificate. Social Security number? Show us the Social Security card. Got Medicare? Show us the Medicare card. You got to prove everything with paper. If you don't have it, you got to go get it. Now, there are some assets that are what I call hidden assets, and these are things that are not cash bank accounts. They're things like, well, people ask me, what about savings bonds? Yep, cash them out. What about safe deposit box? Yeah, anything the safe deposit box. What if my name's on it? Yeah, that counts too. But there are also some hidden assets. I'll just give you a little example. Suppose you put an application, you fill everything out, and the worker says, okay, does your dad have life insurance? And you say, well, I think so, I'll go check. And the worker says, okay, I'll give you 10 days to find out. So you go home, root through the papers, and you find a $1,500 life insurance policy. Then you take it back to the Medicaid office, maybe you get in right away, and you say to the worker, okay, look, Dad does have a life insurance. Here's a $1,500 life insurance policy. What does the worker say? If the worker will tell you everything. 1, that is an exempt asset. We won't count that towards the $2,000. That's good news. But 2, we need proof of the cash surrender value. And you go, what? And they say, you got to get a letter from the insurance company stating how much the policy is worth if it were cashed in today. So you go to the you go to the insurance company, you say, I need that. They say, give us a letter in writing and we'll respond to you in 3 or 4 weeks. By that time, the case has been closed weeks ago. What happens then? Nursing home's not paid. And you know where that goes. Okay, so this has been today's topic. Good talk with you. See you next time.